The Vaiyer Home Theater Sound System Kit is an all-in-one bundle designed for background audio and multi-room sound distribution in residential or commercial spaces like homes, offices, and restaurants. Key components of the kit. Amplifier. The system is powered by a 2,000-watt hybrid amplifier that supports Bluetooth streaming, along with physical inputs like RCA, USB, SD card, AUX, and HDMI 1.1.1, 1.1.4. It typically includes controls for bass, treble, and balance, and often features a digital spectrum display. Speakers. The kit includes multiple ceiling speakers, often 6 to 10 depending on the specific package. These are generally two-way in-ceiling speakers with features like rotatable tweeters and frameless or low-profile designs to help them blend into your ceiling. Accessories. Kits typically come with a substantial length of speaker wire, often 300 to 500 feet, a remote control, and, depending on the specific bundle, a speaker selector box to manage audio across different zones. Important considerations. Brand nature. Vaiyer is not a widely recognized mainstream audio brand. Products sold under this name on various online marketplaces like Ubui or eBay are frequently marketed as complete, third-party bundled solutions. The components within these kits, such as the Technical Pro, branded amplifiers often seen in similar listings, are often rebranded or sourced from various manufacturers. Use case. This system is best suited for background music or public address applications rather than a high-fidelity home theater or audiophile surround sound experience. The 2000 W rating is typically a peak power figure, which is significantly higher than the continuous RMS power the amplifier can actually deliver. Installation. Because these kits involve installing multiple ceiling speakers and managing wiring, they're best for those comfortable with DIY projects or who have access to professional installation help. If you are connecting 6 or more speakers to a single amplifier, ensure the system includes or utilizes a speaker selector with impedance protection to prevent damaging your amplifier. Recommendation. If you are buying this for a professional environment or a high-end home cinema, ensure you check the specific seller's return policy and warranty details. Because these kits are sold through various aggregators, support and documentation may be more limited compared to established major audio brands.